Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use live text to scan or copy text in photos in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Photos. Now open the image in which you want to scan or copy the text. Now Photos will show you automatically a live text icon. Click on this icon and now it will scan all the text in the image. If you want to copy the text, press and hold on the text and now select the text you want to copy. Now click on this copy option and now you can paste this text anywhere. So that's how you can scan or copy text in the photos with live text option. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.